Welcome to my project ideas. This is an ongoing series on Golang and ChatGPT. And in this video, we'll learn how to create a basic Golang project using ChatGPT. So we have created a lot of projects already using ChatGPT, and you can see how easy it is to create such projects. So every new coding language comes with some prerequisite, like it needs some installation before we start actual coding. Even those steps we can ask chat gpt and you will get step by step process to install a particular programming language. And we have asked chat gpt and it has given some answers like that, go to this particular website, click on this particular thing and then install this particular coding language, and then you are done. So before you start, you need to open up chat gpt like this, and you can just drop a question like this: how to do windows setup for golang development. The same thing we have written in an article. We will share the article in the description. So we have followed these steps, but we have also provided, the images for those steps like this. And once you are done with the setup, the next step is to create a folder. So we have created a local folder. We have called as workspace, and you can just click here, write cmd, and it will open command prompt. And to check the version of the Golang that is already installed, you need to see this step, go version. That's it. So write go version and it will open up the Go coding version for you. Great. So we are done with the installation of Golang. We have opened up ChatGPT in parallel, and we have also opened up this command prompt. We have checked the Go version, and now we'll follow the next steps. So how to use ChatGPT to create a basic Golang project. The very first project that we create is Hello World. In entire my coding experience, this is one thing that we are doing every time. So we'll do it once again. So we'll ask ChatGPT to create a basic hello world program for us. And yes, it has created something. So we'll just copy the code. And since we can write our code in any language, we'll open up Notepad. For that, paste the code, try to save. We are in the workspace. We call it index.go. The go is the extension here. Make it as all files. Save it up. So you're done with the coding. The next part is the install. Like once you are done with installation, once you're done with the creating the code, you need to build the program. So we'll use this command go build file name dot go to build the program. So we'll just go to this cmd. We'll just cross check the command go build. Our file name is index.go, and it will take some time to create an exe file for you. So a new file will be added here. It will be called .exe. And once you're done with the creation of that file, you need to write this thing like file name.exe to run the file. So in our case, it will be index.exe. So it is done. So we can just write index.exe and it prints hello world. It's that simple like that. And if we just go to the code, it also gives the explanation. ChatGPT tool is great in that regard. And in case it is not giving an explanation, you can always ask ChatGPT in the next question bar, like just write it out how to like explain this particular piece of code, and it will explain for you. So anyhow, it has used something called main package, which is the part of the compiler, and then it is imported something called fmt, that provides something called input output functions, and then it has created a main function where it is just doing one single line of command, print the line, and the line is hello world. So yeah, that's it for today, and we'll meet in another video. Thank you.